Eh?
Sadiq Abubakar.
What kind of
Sadiq Abubakar.
Abubakar.
Yes, sir.
From where?
From Kogi State.
From Kogi?
Agasa local government.
Okay. Which Kofra you belong to?
I joined Arobaga.
Arobaga?
Yes, sir.
When did you join Arobaga?
Since 2018.
2018?
Yes, sir.
But you hear say those state governments say no more Kofra.
Yes, sir.
And secondly, this gun went in your hand. What do you take and do?
Now, we use and they collect people phones.
You take and they collect
People phones.
people phones?
Yes, sir.
People phones and what?
And like tester.
And they bought do broken and entry.
Broken entry and then snatching and then broken entry.
Snatching of what?
Of phones.
Snatching of phones.
Yes, sir.
And what again?
And then breaking entry.
Where una don't operate for Ekpoma?
We use banana bike, we use the work everywhere.
Everywhere for Ekpoma?
Yes, sir.
Una don't do breaking and entry for Ekpoma?
No, na for Olórí. Now that one be.
What of Jen?
Generator. I never give the boy a generator before.
The generator we say una carry for somewhere for Ekpoma.
No.
Where for Ekpoma?
Okay, what now for Ebon Street? Ebon Street. Ebon Street.
Okay, for Emado.
Yes, sir.
Now for carry generator.
Yes, sir.
The generator una carry for Emado. Where una sell for?
Nah, I had to go the giftings.
Ede gongon.
Yes, sir. If I know me time, I'll give him wife.
Okay.
You wife? Give him wife.
You
get three wife.
You get three wives.
No one know the go giftings.
Okay. And that Ede gongon, what it be to you?
He now just now brought it to me. I be my oga.
Now be your guy for this work what you do.
Yes, sir.
Una they do work together.
Yes, sir. Sometimes you follow us. Sometimes if you don't follow us, you give me back.
Now they use the bike.
With the gun, I'll move.
Okay. Who get this gun?
Now he get even a free set now go carry the gun for there.
Okay, now they use
Like
this
2-3 days ago, now go carry him.
2-3 days ago.
And I go carry for
I
there.
go carry for there.
Yes.
He said they go. What did they do join this robbery? What they do?
They do they work for Slaughter.
What did it be?
For na car with the key now.
Okay, butcher.
Butcher, yes, sir.
Okay. Where this Ede gongon they stay?
They stay for Afwa.
Where for Afwa?
For this place. I know to know Afwa. That's
Along Afwa.
Along Afwa. Thank you, sir.
Okay, what of this kidnapping when they happen for Ekpoma?
No, I not get hand for that one, sir.
But now breaking and entry.
Yes, sir.
Phones.
Yes, sir.
Power bank.
Yes, sir.
And whole theater.
Yes, sir. No, bike no dey.
Una not the thief bike.
No, sir.
But now they take back a track person,
yes, sir,
collect his phone,
yes, sir.
collect everything.
Yes, sir. Na bike itself.
You dey aware say that Ede gongon
Yes, sir.
motor come dey carry am for night.
I dey see am once. I don't see am once.
They come carry am for
They
midnight.
can't carry am for this hotel. Anayo hotel.
Okay, and now your hotel, Asawo
Once,
hotel.
once I don't see
They
am.
come carry am for there.
Yes, sir.
The people when come dey carry Ede gongon, you know them.
Now one let me see now. Those normal Toyota Camry back. So now once I don't see am like that. They your car, your park, because they come meet am and me and I sit down. They talk. Me I sit down on top of the bike.
But you are not telling the viewers and the Edo State that you are the owner of this gun. Ede gongon is the one who uses this gun, but you are the one using it.
Eddie Koko. Now he teaching me street. Now he get the gun. Now he they give me how they take the go do the thing.
Okay.
Then 3 days ago, now he carry and give me self.
How many of una when are they tell they do this thing?
Now me and him, now he be my boss.
That be only you and them.
Now for that our backyard, I tell you, I tell no.
Okay, for back.
Well, I tell the stay with the bros.
Okay, now you
My
take
bros,
one.
I tell
I
no.
don't take connect one of the two.
Now
They
they
do this
take
robbery.
connect. Now they take carry me when they show me 1 or 2.
So, bro,
Yes, sir.
so when you start this your job, what you dey do?
Yes, sir.
When?
You know to tape. When I leave my bros house.
Like, what's your regret now? They catch you now.
My regret is now I fish him 1, 2. And the regrets, say my family, they go here. So I get wife, I get pikin.
You get wife, you get pikin.
Yes, sir.
Which tribe you be?
I'm from Okene, Kogi.
Kogi.
Yes, sir.
Now, why you know they run out for your state? You can't say like you want to run out.
Now here I reach before I come to do this thing.
Till I hear you reach.
I be there. Now my brother can carry me come.
You go school before?
Yes, I go school. Now my boss carry me come here. Even all of them. No, I'm a lawyer boy to them before.
How
So
many
now
children-
here, I know
How
the
many
boy.
children you don't
I
get?
get 2 pikin. Now boy.
2 pikin. Now, those your pikin, what you dey train in this job?
No. Of recent, I mean, I know the talk here. Before I do vigilante, now
Now,
they feed them.
who carry you enter court?
Then, Bros Olórí.
Bros Owolo.
Yes.
Owolo.
Yes.
You still know him?
Yes, I know.
Okay, the bros who know carry you enter court. Who knows you they run this matter?
No, me and the runner, but you know.
You cannot the runner, but you know say the runner.
Yes,
We had the person day, the guy with
the
Olórí.
No, you don't tell me and since when they arrest them, that they will never see.
Okay, they don't even say arrest them. Now your children now, when you they train,
Yes, sir.
now you can go here and say somebody go rob them.
No,
Come do them bad
no,
thing.
feel bad.
You go like her?
No, sir.
Say you can't buy picking for your, you can't buy phone for your picking.
They
All of a
snatch her
sudden
for
they can't call you say they smash you. You like her?
No, sir. No make sense, sir.
Now you like her now. How
sir.
many machines you don't carry?
I never carried one machine before. Of it, they just ask me. I don't tell them. All the ones I do, I tell them. And I still tell them the orga, and I still tell them the person who make me enter. Before, I be loyal boy to everybody there. Now there I reach, I can't know everybody. Now there I reach, everybody.
If you collect person's phone, the person not give you. What do you do the person?
No, if I point out the gun, I'll slap him. Papa, he will give me.
How many people don't buy?
I know keep person. I don't get.
So you know what I don't feel believe? My cousin brother.
Yes, sir.
Recently,
Yes,
no
sir.
mention his name. Now money I sent for them. He give person back better they work. For one to do musag.
Yes, sir.
He carry person finish. Now they block her. They buy her, butcher her. Now go on the city bill up her.
Yes,
Now last week we go do the burial.
No, sir. Normally, people do different type. Yes, you get people like that. But for me, I don't get the money to pay you. If I say me, no say if I do it for you, you fear.
Then today now, which office you did now?
Office, here an anti-cortis office like this.
Today at the court, now they hold you today.
Yes, sir.
With the gun.
Yes, sir.
Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, viewers all over the world, wherever you are watching us from right now. Thanks big to anti-cortis who caught this boy rod-handed with this ammunition right now. You can see the ammunition, this is gone. Now, if you say this one a local man allow, with this one, they fit 4 people tire. With this one, if you look at it, feel like a blunt stain, there's the gun like this. Now, with this one now, they feel that by people tire. Now, viewers all over the world, wherever you are, please share this video, make this video go viral. Let the world see what is happening live in Eboma. This is happening live in Eboma. But anti-cortis caught this young man here, rod-handed with this ammunition. You can see it with this ammunition. So,
Now life and direct, we dey here with this guy, no be kuru karara, wait till we dey see. And the people of Ekpoma now, anti-cortis don't come remove fear for on our face. They don't come remove fear for on our face. When we be so that they sleep for us. Now when they both sleep, it don't stop. Una don't know see all this boy they do work since. The reason why they want show on this work, now because they know say that they do work behind una. A lot of things don't happen when it pass this one. They just want let una know say that they are active. You don't understand? That is why they purposely say, more con life farm. The ones who even happen when be say they tell una open here, una go open my office shop in many parts. Only when I come here, when I see what anti-cortis they handle, I shake it. I say, oh, this boy they try. Now all these kind of people government supposed to go they promote. Now this kind of government supposed to go they help. Then they go they help who they not supposed to help. Una see the great job where people they do. Imagine now you dey enter back, you see this kind of person. He can't carry your gun. You know what he be. So anti-cortis now don't come to Ekpoma. The people of Ekpoma need to they celebrate all this people. Man, they happy. Say we get people like this. And as they tell you like this, they say bush and they sleep. So they say bush now. As they tell you like this, they spend 2 months, 3 months. And as they tell you like this now, then they do it free of charge. They know they even they think whether you give them money, they just want me Ekpoma good. When I share this video to various people, say we get anti-cortis for here, we get people. We be say they see they catch arm robber, handle her, give police. You understand? I be want to share this video because enough is enough for Ekpoma. So if you dare Ekpoma, you they do all this evil act, it don't end. Because as you try they go find you and they go catch you. I be want to share this video. That's so it be. Thank you.